Hey guys, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to be installing our C1R HitchMount kit for the 15 to 20 F-150s. Let's check it out. Before we begin, if you would prefer to disable the safety strobe feature, you'll simply cut the purple wire looped on the new 7-pin harness. First we'll need to grab our 7-pin harness and our inline brake harness, then we can move underneath the vehicle. Looking up at the frame on the driver's side next to our spare tire, you'll locate the matching factory connector for our brake signal harness and disconnect it, followed by plugging in our new signal harness in line. Then, at the back of the bumper, disconnect the factory 7-pin trailer harness. Now we can remove the protective cap from our brake signal amp connector and plug it into our new 7-pin harness. Now plug the new 7-pin harness in line to the trailer harness and feed the DT through our hitch receiver. Then, zip tie any excess wiring clear of any hot or moving parts. Finally, we can remove the protective cap from the DT connector and plug in the C1R and slide it into place. As you can see, with our C1R HitchMount installed, it not only provides a high-power reverse light and additional running light, but it also adds a fourth brake light with an optional strobing feature. If you're looking to pick up a HitchMount pod for your truck or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.